Litmus Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Litmus are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Litmus, a powerful email marketing tool designed to help businesses, marketers, and developers optimize, test, and analyze email campaigns for maximum performance. Unlike standard email service providers, Litmus focuses on email testing, rendering previews, analytics, and automation, ensuring emails display perfectly across different devices and clients. One of the biggest advantages of Litmus is its email preview feature, which allows users to see exactly how an email will look on 90+ different email clients and devices, including Outlook, Gmail, Apple Mail, and mobile apps. This eliminates formatting issues before sending. Litmus also includes a built-in spam testing tool, which helps identify potential deliverability issues, ensuring emails land in the inbox rather than spam folders. For email marketers focused on productivity, Litmus Builder provides a code editor with live previews, making it easy to create and edit HTML emails. It also features a library of reusable templates and snippets, saving time on email design. For teams, Litmus Proof enables collaboration and approval workflows, allowing multiple users to review, comment, and approve emails before launch. Another key feature is Litmus Analytics, which provides detailed engagement insights such as read time, device usage, geolocation, and email client tracking. This data helps marketers refine their strategy for better conversion rates. Additionally, Litmus Personalize leverages dynamic content to tailor emails based on user behavior and preferences, improving engagement. Litmus integrates with major email service providers, ESPs like MailChimp, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo, streamlining the email review and testing process within existing workflows. While it's a premium tool, its advanced testing, optimization, and analytics capabilities make it an essential choice for businesses focused on email performance and deliverability. If you want to create flawless, high-converting emails, Litmus is a must-have. Check out the links in the description for more details.